some more across the top if we don't want to go all the way up.
Yeah.
You know, but as just a different design to before.
Yeah.
Which ones do you think?
Well,
Or have you any other ideas?
No, I'll put you them in my order of preference.
Okay.
Okay. So going worst, not worst, no.
Number 3.
2, 1.
Okay.
But I quite like that one, but that's just quite nice having that bit
different.
there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's one I like the best.
Yes. Oh right, that's good then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, this looks like the idea we're going with. Let's begin. The wall, these walls are 2 walls thick if you like, and in the middle there's a cavity filled with rubble, but on the other side it's been fixed to the front wall. That's in the kitchen, so I basically got to do the same here. So I'm going to go and make a lime mix and get some small stones, fill it in all the way up there so it's cemented together, and hopefully that will sort the problem out. Well, I think you'll agree that looks a little bit better and a little bit safer. Still needs cleaning up. I'm just going to let it go off, and then I'll brush it back, smooth it down a little bit. I'm not going to be able to see this because the panelling's going to be going on the top of it. It definitely needed doing. So yeah, that should set over the next couple of days, and then we can move on. Right, time for some lunch. Talk to you later. Cheers. So where are we at? We've had a change of plan. Not with the design, we're going to go with the design that we both like. I'm just going to configure the pieces of plasterboard differently, just to make it easier really. And instead of building a wooden frame, I'm going to dob and dab them, as we call it. I don't know what we call it in France or America, but we're going to dob and dab them and stick them to the wall, and then put the panelling on afterwards with strong adhesive, instead of nailing them on like I have done in the past. I may also put some nails in via the nail gun, but basically we're going to stick them on. So I've cut them all to size. They're going to go up to the top of the door, and then there'll be another piece at the top that will match the bottom piece, but I can't cut that until I've got everything else in place. It will be slightly different, probably 1.5 inches difference, but I don't think you'll notice really. So the next job is to glue them. It's about 7 o'clock at night now, so I don't know, I'm going to mix the cement now, the plasterboard adhesive I should say, but that's the next job, and dob and dab them on there, and then they'll go off and we can start panelling them out. It will be a bit quicker doing it this way, but yeah, it's still very warm. I think it's about 30 odd degrees at the moment, even inside, so just taking it nice and easy. Right, let's get on. sun. It's a warm one to say the least, but that's the first bit plasterboarded out. I've left a gap up here so that the next piece can slide in there and then will be hidden by the trim, otherwise it would have probably shown. But this takes about an hour, 2 hours to go off in this heat, you know, not too long. So yeah, once all that's done, I'll probably use the MDF and panel this out. But for now I'm going for a drink to cool off. Catch you in a while.